I've been in the banking field ever since I left school. So I started with BMO Bank of Montreal as a financial service representative, and I kind of just moved on into that lending environment. And really, the mortgage field was the only place where you could own your own business, even while working at the bank. You know, I joke about it, people that work for the bank, it's like owning a franchise if you become a mortgage specialist. And the broker route was a natural transition that came after that. It's all about setting the right expectations up front. If your clients are asking you questions, you're not doing your job. We set the right expectations up front. We have systems that manage the client experience from start to finish. And once you follow these systems and you have these technologies in place, everything becomes a lot easier. Your clients know exactly what's going on, and you provide a much better customer experience. I think it's absolutely the best way to shop for a mortgage in Canada, to use a broker. You can look at what's happening with the big banks. 3 out of 5 big banks are now in the broker space. Even the CMHC survey shows that over half of every single new first-time home buyer is using a mortgage broker. And why would they not? With a broker, you're not just with one bank looking at their products. You can shop around with different banks, different products. You can look at different interest rate options. You can find the mortgage that's best for you and not for one particular institution. The team at Equitable Bank, they're phenomenal. You can go all the way from the BDM to the underwriter to the fulfillment specialist to the managers to the directors. You have someone's ear at Equitable Bank. If something is not going right, you talk to management and it gets fixed. That's what I love about Equitable Bank, is the people. This was around December time, around Christmas. There was a client who went to a big bank. Unfortunately, at the last moment, they couldn't secure their mortgage for various reasons. And they came to me through the real estate agent, but they came to me around December, I believe it was December 20th or December 18th, something like that. And their closing was just after Christmas. And if you know the banking world, or really the corporate world, everyone is on vacation around that time, right? And even people that are working, it's skeleton staff. I believe we had like 4 days to complete this transaction. I spoke to Equitable Bank. Even Equitable Bank said this is going to be very difficult because this is a full transaction. We don't have a lot of time. We're going into Christmas. I spoke to the underwriting team, the underwriting manager. They said, let's give it our best shot. Underwriter was in till the evening that day. So was fulfillment. They got that deal done within 4 business days, and they ensured that the client had a good Christmas. Lender and broker relationship is essential. This is a partnership, and a partnership does not work if it's not both ways. There's so many changes in our market all the time. They could be regulatory changes, they could be product changes, and if you're not up to date with your lender, you don't know what's going on. And if you ever get a file that needs extra due diligence or extra help or needs escalation, you know exactly who to talk to, what channel to escalate it with. This is why your relationship is so important, and this is why we value our relationship with Equitable so much. No, that's easy, Michael Jordan, because he not only dominated on the court, but he also made a brand out of himself. Like, you may not play basketball, but you probably wear Air Jordans.